Are you hungry? Do you want to make a chicken dish in your slow cooker? How about we make chicken marsala? But we're going to need a couple ingredients, so let's see what we're going to need, shall we? To make this chicken marsala, we're going to need chicken, potatoes, we're going to have to quarter these, mushrooms, and the Savory Marsala sauce from Campbell's. So we're going to get these and put them in our slow cooker as we break down our potatoes. So since the layers are important, first we're going to put in our chicken. Alright, so now that we have a bag in, we're going to start with the chicken on the bottom. After you handle raw chicken, make sure you wash your hands. Wash your potatoes. We're going to quarter these potatoes. Do you have a favorite potato? Cut in half again so that it's in a quarter. Oh, well, that one's gone. Sometimes potatoes want to escape. It's like a fairly easy dump and go recipe, minus you gotta do a little bit of prep. Alright, we'll finish cutting these potatoes up and we'll be right back. This is how mine came out after I finished dicing all my potatoes. After this, we're going to want to rinse our mushrooms. If yours are not diced, you may want to cut them down. These are sliced baby portobello mushrooms. So I can just add these in here as so. Nice and hearty. Some of these are massive. It's a good thing about slow cookers, they're all going to seep into everything. Once we have our mushrooms in here, we'll add our sauce. Make sure you get every little ounce. So it says you can cook this on high for 3 hours, but we're going to cook it on low for 6 hours. I find with slow and low, it blends the flavors better together. So we will check this in 6 hours. After your chicken marsala is done cooking, and you separate the chicken and you mix it up, it should come out looking just like this. If you make some noodles to go with it, that will add an extra flavor and leave it to stretch further. Now when I made this, I found out I'm not a big fan of it personally, but my girlfriend was. And that's what counts, you know. I hope this helps and you have a great night and wonderful eating.